Good day, sir. My name is Benjamin Rollan from SBIT2B, and I'll be showcasing my laboratory finals exam, which is the student registration ASP.NET website. So this website contains of two main elements, which is the form and the table. The form contains input fields that I can use to input information that can be later used to save information or records in the database. And the second element would be the table, which is used to get or fetch um, information from the database and show it to this website. So this is the database. It's called Student DB, and currently it has a single table which is called students. The students table contains two records as of now. So let me show you the functions of this website. So let's try the save function, and I'll be entering my information as a new student, and let's click save. So it looks like I've made a two mistakes. The first one would be I didn't enter an address, so let's do that. And the second one would be I have entered an invalid mobile number. So let's click save again, and the website will say student inserted successfully. Let's click OK, and as you can see, the table now has three rows or three records of students. The final one would be me. So let's check the database. So let's refresh this. So from two records it has now three records. So move on to the next function, the update function. So if I click a row in this table, let's click the second row or the second record, it highlights it, and as you can see, each time I click a row, it updates the necessary information in the form or in the input fields. So let's try updating this record. So let's change the address to Sampaloc, Manila. And let's click update. So the website will say student updated successfully. Let's click OK, and as you can see, the address was changed to Sampaloc, Manila from America. So let's check the database again. From America, it should be changed to Sampaloc, Manila. Then move on to the next function, which is the delete. So let me select a row first and click delete, and it simply deleted the record. So from three records, it has now two records. So let's refresh the database, and as you can see, Chan Escoto was deleted from the students table. So finally, for the final function would be the clear function. The clear function simply just um, clears the input fields and the selected record from the table. So that would be all for the demonstration of this laboratory activity or laboratory final exam. So let me show you the code. So the code, this is the ASPX file. It has a CSS. So HTML, and a little bit of JavaScript. So this is the code behind. So this is C sharp. So this is the validate form. So what you seen earlier were when I made a mistake, such as the I forgot to input a address and the mobile number I inputted was not valid. So it shows uh, the validation function of the system. So this is the code for this. This is the function or the method, validate for method. Then the add validation message. So it is paired with this method, the add validation, validate for method. This is the function or the method for the updation of the data or the record, and this is the populate record. So when you call this function, it refreshes the table on the right side of the website. So it simply just fetch all the records from the database. So for the final function would be the insert function. So this is the code behind for the save button. So when I click the save button, it calls this method and it just simply gets all the information from this form and checks if the information is correct. If the information is valid, it enters or inserts the record in the database. If it's not, it simply just does not enter the information and shows what is wrong to the form like earlier. So let's try saving it. So that is the validation function. So that would be all for my laboratory final exam, and thank you for watching.